Hey everyone, welcome back to Buddy Developers. I'm Naveen. So recently we have redesigned or developed our WordPress website, that is buddydevelopers.com. And I'm very surprised with the result, to be honest. So let me show you that thing in this video. Hey, so this is our WordPress website and this is the backend of it, the WordPress dashboard. And as like the other WordPress site, if I click on any link here, you'll see the page is loading and it takes some time to load that content. So basically on every link click, the browser is making a server call and then server is querying the database and then rendering the entire result into HTML form and then loading the HTML into the browser. So it's taking some time for the request to get processed. And when we see the speed of this website in the Google PageSpeed Insight, you will see the score on mobile is 68 for performance. For SEO, it is 66. And same for the desktop, 89 for the performance and 66 for SEO. And the agentic browsing experience or parameter is also low, as you can see here. And you can also see in the page speed index, the LCP and FCP, all the parameters, they are very low, and website taking too much time to load or render when somebody click on the link. And at that point we thought maybe why not to convert this website into an Astro based headless WordPress site. When I say Astro is basically a web framework that is recently developed, and it's very good for the static or content type website. So as you can see here, the web framework for content driven websites. So very good for if you wants to build your blog site, or if you wants to build your portfolio or any e-commerce site, then you can use Astro and it is very fast. So we have chosen Astro as a framework for front end, and because we like WordPress backend, you can easily manage different things here. You can easily create posts and you can easily create pages. So we thought maybe to keep WordPress as a backend, but for front end, we need a fast rendering, so we have chosen Astro. So when we converted it into an Astro based headless WordPress site, so this is how it looks. So I'm on the home page of the website. So as you can see, this is the home page. And when I click on any pages, you see how fast it is loading. These blocks that you see here, they are all are rendered from WordPress post section. So when I will add a new post here in the WordPress, it will automatically get pulled on the Astro based headless WordPress site. And this product section is also dynamic. So all the other things here you see, they are static and they are built in Astro. And now if I talk about the performance of the Astro site that we have built, Astro Headless WordPress site. So this is how it performed. You can see on mobile, the score is 94 and agentic score is 3/3. And same on the desktop, you have a 99% performance score on desktop. And you will see the speed index is very good. In 0.7 second it taking to load the pages, and on the other hand in WordPress side is it taking 4.8 second. So that's the kind of difference that we have seen when we converted or redesign our website into an Astro based headless WordPress site. So if you want to know more about like how we develop this website using Astro and headless WordPress, you can let us know in the comment section of this video, and we will see if there is a need. We will create a separate video for it. And if you're planning to give a modern look to your existing WordPress site, maybe a content site like blog site or portfolio site of your company, in that case, you can also hire us at buddydevelopers.com, or you can book a 30-minute free consultation call with us. I will provide the link of both the things in the description of this video. And the good part about this whole setup that I like is you can easily manage your Astro-based headless WordPress site right from your AI coding agents like Cloud Code or GitHub Copilot or Anti-Gravity. At Buddy Developers, we will help you to develop this entire setup for you. So see you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye bye.